If you clicked a news headline on the MSN homepage and landed on a page not found error, don't worry, because this is usually a browser cache issue and it can be fixed in just a few quick steps. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the MSN error page not found, refresh the page properly, open the link in an incognito window, and clear Microsoft-specific site cookies so the page loads correctly again. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. First, let's talk about why this happens. Sometimes your browser is trying to load an older saved version of the MSN page layout, and that outdated version can cause a 404 error when you click a news article. The good news is that the page may still be active on Microsoft's servers, so all you need to do is force your browser to fetch a fresh copy. While you're on the page not found screen, press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This is a hard refresh, and it tells your browser to completely ignore the saved version it has in memory and reload the page directly from the live server. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem instantly. If the error still appears after refreshing, the next step is to open the same link in an incognito window. On most browsers, you can do this by opening a new private or incognito tab and pasting the MSN article link again. This is useful because incognito mode does not use the same cached files or saved browsing data, so it gives you a clean test environment. If the page opens there, then the issue is very likely caused by your browser's stored data. Next, clear Microsoft-specific site cookies. These cookies can sometimes store old session or layout information that interferes with MSN article pages. Open your browser settings, go to the privacy or site data section, and look for cookies related to Microsoft, MSN, or the specific site you're trying to open. Remove those cookies, then go back and try the link again. This often resolves persistent page not found errors when a hard refresh alone is not enough. If you want the fastest troubleshooting order, do it like this. First, hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5, then try the article in an incognito window, and finally clear Microsoft-related cookies if the error keeps happening. That simple sequence fixes most MSN page not found issues without any complicated steps, and that's it. You now know how to fix the MSN error page not found by forcing a fresh reload, testing the link in incognito mode, and clearing Microsoft site cookies. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next helpful tutorial.